I know, that's a wild way to start a video. But I wanted to use this as a showcase to start episode 1 of a new series called Make It Dope for Free. And with this series, I want to show you guys some tools and give you some tips on how to make your content dope for free. And with this episode 1, that sound effect you just heard, and the dope and the dope music you hear in the background, and the random cat, and the random clip that will just appear, that's from Pixabay.com, a site that will allow you to get free, royalty-free stock images, video footage, sound effects, illustrations, vector graph to just upgrade and make your content dope for free. So I'll leave a link in the description for you to check out Pixabay.com so you can get the cool sound effects, you can get the dope sound in the background, random images of cats, random footage of people driving in a highway in a country which you don't live in, or use cool illustrations or vectors to just upgrade and make your content dope for free. So until next time, this was episode 1. I'm Tuli.